friends, my name is Hope, and in today's video I'm going to show you the tasks I like to accomplish when starting my spring cleaning routine. This video is sponsored by Dreame Technology, and I will be showing you how I use their robot vacuum to help with my spring cleaning. So I usually like to start in the biggest spaces first, and I like to really get rid of all of the clutter and put everything away where it goes. And with 4 kids, I definitely fall behind some days. So when Dreame reached out to me about their white robot vacuum, I was so excited to give it a try, especially knowing it would make it easier to tackle my daily cleaning tasks. It shipped really fast, and when it arrived, I seriously couldn't wait to get it open and look at this awesome vacuum. All of the pieces came neatly packaged with the vacuum. We have the vacuum itself, then we have the brush and mop head, the charging dock, and of course the power cord. It was super simple to assemble with a quick, easy instruction guide, and look how gorgeous it is. It fits nice in my little corner over here, and I just absolutely love the white feature of it. It's just such a beautiful color. I got it set up to charge so we could actually get it going and start cleaning. Once I hit that power button, the vacuum went straight to work, carefully mapping out our entire upstairs level. And while it was doing that, I figured I would move my kitchen chairs up to make it easier for the D9 vacuum, but come to find out, it maneuvers around objects so well, you guys. It literally went around my son's high chair without a single problem. The little brush attachment sticks out just enough to get right up against those baseboards, around the couch legs, underneath my couch. Another thing that I absolutely love about this vacuum is that it knows when it's going from hardwoods right onto rugs or carpet. In the app, you can adjust the suction power, and it definitely goes to a higher suction when it moves from hardwoods to rugs, whether that be short pile or long pile. Once it's completely done mapping out the entire area, it goes in an S motion to get every single nook and cranny of the floors vacuumed and mopped. This Dreame D9 vacuum transitions so well, going from room to room, with thresholds posing no problems for it at all. It's also incredibly quiet, even with its multiple levels of suction, and I don't know about you guys, but I love seeing vacuum lines in my carpet after I'm done vacuuming, and the D9 definitely does not disappoint in providing those satisfying carpet lines. Once the vacuuming is all done, the D9 returns to its charging station and sends an alert to your phone through the app telling you it has completed its task. It has a pretty generous dustbin container to collect all the hair and crumbs off of the floor, and as you can see, my floors definitely needed a little bit of extra help. So I had never had a robotic vacuum before like this, and it was definitely a leap of faith to just kind of let it go and map the entire first floor and clean while I decided to come in here and do some spring cleaning in my bedroom. Every 6 months I like to come in and sprinkle a little bit of baking soda with some essential oils on our mattress and let it sink into the mattress, and then come in and just vacuum it up, and then I'm going to come in and just kind of clean up the mess that is my room. It was definitely a leap of faith that paid off, because the vacuum worked exactly as promised. And it was such a nice thing to know that while I was in here cleaning and doing some of my spring cleaning, that the vacuum was out there getting the floors completely cleaned. Once I got everything all dusted off, I came in and vacuumed off the mattress with the baking soda and all the dust that was on the mattress. And then I'm going to come in and put some fresh sheets on the bed. There really is nothing like a clean room without having fresh sheets on your bed. And then after it's made, you guys are going to get a very satisfying before and after of my room completely cleaned. So now that the entire upstairs is nice and vacuumed, I figured this would be the perfect time to pull out the mopping feature that comes with this vacuum. You guys, I am so amazed at this whole system right here. The tank is actually incorporated into the mopping pad, and that is seriously such a space-saving innovation. The tank may actually look like it's really small at only 270 milliliters, but it will actually clean 2,000 square feet on a single tank, which is my entire upstairs and then some. Also on the app, there are features that are called invisible walls, and you can just kind of section parts off of your home that you do not want to have mopped or even vacuumed. They're in the red there. I have all of my carpets in the red so that the mop doesn't get onto my rugs and get my rugs all wet, and it worked so nice. So I set the vacuum to go and start mopping while I ran outside onto our deck to get some of the spring cleaning done on these windows. My windows are so neglected during the winter time because it does get so cold here, and so these windows outside really needed a little bit of tender loving care, and I definitely would not have been able to come out and get these windows nice and cleaned if it was not for that mopping feature that I could just pretty much set it and forget it. I am honestly so shocked that it mapped and cleaned my whole 1,700 square foot first floor the first time accurately, and it got it all completely done in less than an hour. And as you guys saw again in the app, you can just kind of set virtual walls up around my stairs to prevent it from falling down my stairs. But after that barrier was removed, it literally remembers not to go over by that area. I want to say thank you so much again to Dreame for sponsoring this video. I absolutely cannot say enough good things about this vacuum. It really does make my cleaning routines so much easier. My house looks absolutely amazing, and that is honestly saying something with having 4 small children and 2 pets. It is really just so nice to run out the door and set the vacuum on and know that it's going to come in here and clean all of these areas with no trouble at all. To learn more about the product or to purchase one for yourself, the links will be down below in the description box.